when I tell y'all I debated about making this video, and by shooting this video I'm probably solidifying the fact that Eco Styler Gel will never send me anything as a vlogger. I just really feel like it needs to be spoken on. Nobody's speaking about it, nobody's really putting it out there, and as usual I don't mind being that guy. I understand that there are people out there, I am so proud of you, who only use black owned products. Do whatever is right in your heart, which is why I said, you know, numerous times in this video, this is not even about like my choice to not purchase it right now over like some of my actual like YouTube friends' choices to purchase it right now. Like, it's not any decision was better than the other. I just wanted to come and put this video out there because I literally get the question. I can't even count how many times a day. I'm just about to keep it real with y'all about why you have not and will not see an Eco Styler Gel Gold review on my channel anytime soon. Let me start off by saying this is not, and maybe kind of is, like an Eco Styler bash video. And I say it's not because you guys know how I feel about Eco Styler Gel. Like, it's no secret. You guys know that I really like the Eco Styler brand line. For me, Eco Styler Gel really up until this point can do no wrong, and I've always been like an avid supporter of do what works for your hair. A lot of people have strong feelings either way about Eco Styler Gel. Eco Styler Gel is one of those brands that you feel strongly about one way or the other. Either you really like it or you really hate it. Like, it's not an in between when it comes to this product, and I just happen to be somebody who really likes it. Even to this day, when it comes to having like a perfect wash and go, when it comes to like the standard for the definition, the whole like the perfect wash and go, Eco Styler Gel has been the only gel, whether it's about a company that I really like or it's a company that I really don't like. I'm just gonna always come on here and keep it funky with you guys. I've been peeping some stuff going on with Eco Styler Gel for years now, and it may just be on my end of the spectrum because I am a vlogger, but my cousins who are also fellow YouTubers will completely feel me on this. I feel like when it comes to, it is just kind of known with Eco Styler Gel where they stand as it pertains to YouTubers, sponsorships, PR, free products, putting, you know, career opportunities. If we just gonna like be 100, putting career opportunities in YouTubers' hands. Eco Styler Gel really don't need us. Like, if we're just being honest, they don't need us, and they don't really show that they need us. If there is one brand, I would say across the board as far as YouTube goes that gets the most free promotion out of every last one of us, it's Eco Styler Gel. In this situation, I do feel like, you know, we all kind of like are jumping on the bandwagon. I'll touch on that in just a second. But in most situations, it don't even be that YouTubers are jumping on the bandwagon. It's that these companies have a marketing strategy, and before they, you know, get ready to do a huge, you know, marketing rollout or whatever it's called, they gather up they gather up YouTubers and they send us out the products. You know, if you are good about your paper, you negotiate with them and say, hey, you know, that is great, I would get your products, but you know, I don't work for free. But that's what happens. They send all this stuff out to us, and it's just like this big marketing ploy. So they want that. They want every time you turn around, you seeing a new video popping up of their product. Like, that's what they want. But Eco Styler Gel, baby, when I tell you, almost all of us, and y'all can correct me if I'm wrong, I've only seen one girl, and that is my twin, say that they sent her a PR box. You see the YouTubers who come out with these videos, and you just have to keep in mind, these are girls who are doing this because they love it, they enjoy what they do, this is a career for them, they found a way to, you know, make money, capitalize off of the hard work that they put in. It seems like every other company understands the value in that, and they go ahead and invest in us. And you guys have commented on this. You guys have commented multiple times on this. Oh, you need to make Eco Styler Gel sponsor you. You need to make Eco Styler Gel send you free products. I hope you're getting paid for this. And the whole thing about it, and the reason I never really touch on that, is because yes, I do deserve to get paid for my work, but at the same time, I don't mind buying things for myself. Like, before I ever was a YouTuber, I still had hair. I still had to buy buy my own hair products. I still had to take care of my hair. So I'm never offended by stepping into a beauty supply store and buying my own products. By me saying this is not saying, oh, you need to sponsor our videos, you need to do this, you need to do that. And you can say what you want to say about Shea Moisture, and we have said it, we all have said it, and you know, people will continue to say it, but you can say what you want to say. But Shea Moisture has put a lot of money in Black women's pockets. Like, yes, they have taken a lot of our money, but these other brands that y'all have so much to say about, these big name brands, also feed back into us. Most times, all the time, like, let's just be real, it feels like Eco Styler Gel just knows that they don't have to do that. Like, they know that they don't have to reach out to us for promotion. They know that they don't have to do like this huge mass marketing kick. They know they don't need to pay YouTubers to do that, because we will do it for free. And I don't want my comment section to be all these people who are just waiting on, you know, stuff like this to just spout negativity. Like, please don't do that. Like, because you have these people who come in here and it's just like, oh, you know, this is Black owned business, this. I'm gonna touch on that in just a second. Y'all pointing y'all fingers at people who use Eco Styler Gel. Like, we're not gonna do that. You're gonna waste your time. The comment is gonna get deleted. It is kind of why we can't have nothing, because they know that they can get the most free publicity out of us. And up until this point, even knowing that, because I peeped that years and years ago, like, but even knowing that, I was fine with still supporting the brand, still, you know, purchasing Eco Styler Gel, because like I said, I'm an equal opportunity realist. If it works for my hair, it works for my hair. But for me, this whole gold collection, or whatever it's called, it has just been the most rubbing of the wrong way, bad taste putting in my mouth situation I think I have seen or experienced with a brand, probably since the whole like Shea Moisture debacle happened. I remember when the Jamaican black castor oil one came out, it was this same frenzy. Everybody was like, oh my God, I gotta get my hands on it. Have you seen it? We gotta do it. Everybody was doing all this reviewing and this, that, and this, and the third. And it was like this big frenzy, and everybody was trying to, like, as far as like the YouTube world, all of us was trying to get our videos out there and, you know, get it up. And that actually was like one of the best viewership videos that I had got that year. Like, I got my gel right on out the beauty supply store. I don't know if you guys know anything about Birmingham, Alabama, but we are a Black city, honey. Plenty of Black beauty supply stores to go around. We got the ones in the hood, baby, that have everything. We got beauty supply stores. They got walls and walls of Eco Styler Gel. So it's certain beauty supply stores in Birmingham that I know when the gels become available, they're going to have them. Like, it's no question about like whether or not they're going to get it. I just may have to drive to a specific one to get it. I waited, like, I just waited. Y'all can let me know in the comment section if they did this as well with that product, because if they had, then I probably would have felt this way back then too. I just thought it was a, we dropped this Jamaican black castor oil, y'all pick it up, y'all get it, you know, when you find it. I don't remember anybody ever saying that for a 16-ounce jar, it was $18 for that Jamaican black castor oil. Now, $18 in the natural hair community for a product really is standard. Like, at this point, with the natural hair movement and everything like booming, and just, you know, all these different natural hair products coming out of the woodwork, it is nothing to see $18, $22, $28, $32 on a little jar of natural hair product. Like, that is not what alarmed me. So before y'all be like, oh, she cheap and Camaro's Naturals Curl Maker $22, I'm saying for Eco Styler Gel, there is nothing in the Eco Styler Gel line that is $18. I can go right down the street to the Black beauty supply store and get a whole like huge tub of it for $10. So it's just like, and then the fact that it was only available online, and like it's this, like the rumor mill is it's only available online and it won't be available like for months and months in stores. So you have to get it online, and it's $18 for one. And I feel like all that's happening is they saw what a huge, just crazy was when they came out with those new products, and they said this time around we're gonna figure out how to capitalize on it and how to squeeze y'all ass out of as much money as possible. And I just can't do it. And don't get me wrong, because I really want to say this, and I hope a lot of you guys watch to the end of this video. This is not about any other YouTuber who has already reviewed this product. This is not saying that they, you know, got tricked, they got conned, they got this, they got that. I have to constantly give myself checks and balances. And when I checked in, like, I was this close to purchasing it. Like, I was this close 2 times. Like, I said hell no the first time, and I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. I went back and was like, girl, you gonna like miss out on this whole wave if you don't get it now, blah blah blah. I was this close to getting it. But then after I seriously went through those checks and balances, I realized that I was purchasing that product, or I would have been purchasing that product, not because I wanted to know so much what that product was gonna do for my hair, not that I was itching to try the product. And this is coming from somebody who is super excited to try it. Like, I cannot wait to try that product. But even with all that, I knew that I was purchasing that product just for the views. Like, I would have been spending $18 just for the views. And I love y'all, but it is not worth it to me. Like, the principle, the statement that I would have been making behind it, like, I can't. It's so crazy because this is my career, and I agonized about like whether or not I wanted to like purchase that product, and if I would be potentially like missing out on growth for not using the product and not doing that. Like, these are real things when this is your career that you have in mind. I cannot like even worry about that, but I wanted to address it because I get so many comments a day asking me if I'm gonna try that product, and the answer is yes, I am going to try that product, but I am not going to spend $18 for it. Like, I'm sorry. There are very few things, like, even though I know it's nothing new to see, just for me, like, that's another thing. Like, I would be going just against who I am. Like, y'all just saw me review a $1 deep conditioner. Like, I am a bargain saver. Like, no matter how much money I have, I want to save money. And so there are very few things that I will spend $18 for my hair. And it's just like, I haven't even done a wash and go in weeks. Like, I can't even remember the last wash and go that I've done on my hair, just because I've been like trying to perfect my twist styles and doing protective styles in between, like wearing wigs and things like that. So I can't even remember. It's winter time. Like, yes, I live in Alabama and it's hot and it's this and it's that, but spending $18 knowing that I'm not even rocking wash and goes, and that's the only thing I use Eco Styler gel for, like, I can wait. Like, I can wait on that. I am not going to rush. Like, when it gets here, it gets here. When it hits the stores, it hits the stores. And I will be one of the first people to get it, and I will record it and I will put it up for you guys, but it's not gonna be until, and if it gets in this store and it's $18, I'm still not going to review it because I've never spent more than $10. I really do appreciate everybody who have gone ahead and reviewed the product so that I can see like what it's doing. Like, I like to watch reviews and just help me have like a successful wash and go, kind of like they do like with concert tickets. You have like a pre-sale and then it hits the stores or whatever. I really feel like that's what's gonna happen. They're gonna lower the price and they're gonna put it in beauty supply stores, and if it is in beauty supply stores and it's like the regular Eco Styler gel price, then by all means, as soon as it's there, you guys will see it on my channel. But I just wanted to put this video out there just because I do see all you guys. Like, I have so many DMs and so many comments and so many comments on YouTube and Instagram just saying, when am I going to review this product? I really want you to review this product. Hopefully you guys will come back to my channel and still watch the video, especially like watching it under the guise. But you getting over on me anyway. Like, you already getting this free marketing out of me. Like, I'm gonna shoot the video. Like, I'm gonna do it. I already feel like you getting all this free out of me. Like, you're not finna get free out of me and get me to pay double what I normally would for it. Like, you just not. Like, you're just not. So with all that said, let me know if you have got your hands on it in the comment section below. Did you get online and pay $18 for it? So I hope you guys enjoyed this reel, this deal, this tea, and let me know, you know, sound off in the comment sections your thoughts on it. Just do it respectfully, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't made it all the way to the end.
Also, huge thank you to the ladies over at God Got You Girl. They sent me this t-shirt, and it was a great reminder that even when I want me some Eco Styler gel and I think I'm gonna die before it hit the stands, God got you. So check them out by looking at the description box below.